25 acres, you're going to absolutely love what 58 Seiferts Road in Bondoola has to offer. I'm Anna McPherson from the agency, so let's take a look. Inspired by your traditional Queenslander, this home is not short of the latest mod cons. I'm absolutely obsessed with the raked ceilings, the black butt wooden floors throughout, and the wraparound veranda. And the entertaining options continue with this gorgeous saltwater chlorinated pool. So guys, there you have it for 58 Seiferts Road in Bondoola. If you're looking for that lifestyle change, 25 acres, only a 10-minute drive to the Yeppoon CBD, please do not hesitate to contact me, Anna McPherson. I'd love to talk to you.